This is going to be my first one-off bench, or first from scratch bench, and I'm making it out of white oak, and these are the legs. What I got so far is a leg structure, and we're going to put it together for the first time. This long horizontal is going to go here. Anyways, that's where we're at. Here is a progress update. I got the frame together. Here's the bebop. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a roundover on all of the long edges. And I'm going to start with a 1/4 inch roundover. And if I want to go heavier, I think 1/4 inch is going to be just fine for the 3/4 inch material. But if I want to go heavier on this, on the legs, then I will. Obviously you can't add material, so you can always take more off. So that's what I'm going to do. I did shrink this rail to 2 inches instead of 2 1/4, because after the roundover, it was like, it just didn't look right. So I had to suck it up. I think it's turning out pretty neat. Seat cushion will eventually be kind of that look, you know, it'll be raised up. Here's with the first coat of Osmo. The legs, for some reason, really turned orange, which I'm not super thrilled about, but the rest of it's pretty neat. I should start calling myself Bench Boy, for crying out loud.